Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money as a travel consultant. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you someone who loves to travel and wants to help others plan their dream vacations? Then becoming a travel consultant could be the perfect career for you. In this video, we'll discuss what a travel consultant is, how to become one, the benefits of becoming a travel consultant, and how you can make money in this exciting field. First, let's define what a travel consultant is. A travel consultant is someone who helps people plan their trips by providing expert advice on where to go, what to see, and how to get the best deals. As a travel consultant, you could work with individuals or groups planning everything from weekend getaways to around-the-world adventures. Becoming a travel consultant is relatively easy and doesn't require any specific qualifications. However, there are a few steps you'll need to take in order to get started, including finding a job with a reputable company and getting certified by the International Air Transport Association, IATA. This certification will give you the knowledge and skills you need to succeed as a travel consultant, and it will also give your clients peace of mind, knowing that they are working with a professional who is knowledgeable and experienced. There are several ways that you can make money as a travel consultant. Many consultants earn commission on the sales of airfare, hotels, tours, and other travel products. Some also charge hourly fees for their services. And depending on your experience and expertise, you could potentially earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per project. In addition to earning money, becoming a travel consultant also offers many benefits. First, you'll have access to exclusive discounts on travel products and services that you can pass on to your clients, saving them money and making your services more attractive. Second, you'll have the opportunity to meet new people from all over the world and help them create amazing memories that will last a lifetime. This can be incredibly rewarding, both personally and professionally. Now that we've discussed what a travel consultant is, let's talk about the specific duties of a travel consultant. As a travel consultant, you will be responsible for assisting clients in planning and booking travel arrangements. This may include booking flights, hotels, tours, and other activities. You will need to work with clients to determine their needs and budget, and then find the best options to meet those needs. You will also need to be familiar with popular destinations and attractions, as well as have knowledge of visa and passport requirements. Additionally, you'll need to have strong communication skills to be able to advise and guide clients through the process of planning their trip. You'll need to be able to understand their needs and preferences, and be able to make recommendations that will make their trip as enjoyable as possible. Now that you understand the duties of a travel consultant, let's talk about how to become one. As mentioned earlier, to become a travel consultant, you will need to have a high school diploma or equivalent. and then complete a training program that is specific to the travel industry. Once you have completed your training, you will then need to pass a certification exam in order to officially become a certified travel consultant. In addition to completing a training program and passing a certification exam, it is also important to gain experience in the travel industry. This could include working as a travel agent, or even just traveling and experiencing different destinations and cultures. The more experience you have, the more valuable you will be as a travel consultant. Finally, let's talk about how to make money as a travel consultant. As mentioned earlier, the most common way is by charging commissions on bookings made through your company. Commissions are typically a percentage of the total booking cost, and they can vary depending on the type of booking and the company you work for. Other ways to make money include charging fees for services such as itinerary planning, and offering specialized packages or add-on services that cater to your client's needs. In conclusion, becoming a travel consultant is a great way to make money while doing something you love, traveling. With the right training, certification, and experience, you can turn your passion for travel into a rewarding and lucrative career. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.